Before we proceed to the strategy, answer the question: what is your goal in crypto? For some people, it's an excellent way to protect funds from inflation, and they invest 10% in Bitcoin every month. For others, it's a source of income, given the numerous directions in this niche. But some have simply joined because others did. This last group in the section is the one that whales profit from, no matter how harsh it may sound. I can vividly recall myself exactly a year ago, a naive guy who had watched motivational TikTok videos and thought he could buy a Lambo in a few days. As a result, I lost my car on NFTs back then. In that moment, I literally crashed into the road of reality. I felt bad, lost my vision to the future, but I didn't want to go back to the factory where I was paid $15 per hour. I knew that returning meant accepting defeat forever. Things were tough, and I had to borrow a few $1,000s from my father to stay in the game. The story leads to me taking my laptop, meeting a friend, and sitting in a cafe finding all possible ways to make money. We were like, oh, NFTs are a flop, trading is too risky. And arbitrage? What is arbitrage? And so for 2 weeks we figured out how it works, its risks and potential profits. Time was pressing, leaving us no option but to act. And you know what? We succeeded. To this day, our team consists of 7 people, and we have earned over $90,000 after taxes in the last 4 months. I won't lie if I say it's still the best way to consistently generate profits in cryptocurrency. However, you must understand that the times when 20-year-olds invested a few $1,000s in a shitcoin and woke up millionaires the next morning are over. The rules of the game have changed. A large number of people have entered this sphere, and you have to compete with them to be that 1%. I mean, communicate, learn useful skills, seek information, and develop unwavering discipline. So, what is arbitrage? It's a way to make money on the difference in exchange rates, values, or prices. Arbitrage is like the commodity business in cryptocurrency. It operates on a similar system. For example, we can buy a coin on the first exchange for $5 and sell it on the second for $7. The difference, which is $2, becomes our profit. This action can be repeated an unlimited number of times, and the larger the investment amount, the greater the earnings. That's the beauty of it. The most challenging part of arbitrage is finding a profitable price difference. So I will demonstrate a working spread of 7% that my team found. This will be enough to earn $70 per trade with a $1,000 investment without losing money on fees. Well, if you are genuinely interested in earning and multiplying your capital, I advise you to prepare your device for work, your funds, and your mindset. The difference in the exchange rate occurs when one of the exchanges lacks liquidity to equalize the price, and we take advantage of it, making money out of thin air. Pay close attention as I go through it, and after successful 3 or 4 times, you will understand how it works. To begin, log into the cryptocurrency exchange you use. Mine is Binance. If you haven't registered yet, go through the registration process, and after KYC confirmation, click on deposit, then fiat deposit. Select your currency and use your card to deposit USD and then convert it to USDT. This is necessary for further exchange. For experienced individuals, it is simpler. You can send USDT from your hot wallet directly to Binance. I personally deposited $1,000 into my account. Next, open the spot trading tab. Search for a coin called Solana. It is priced at $54. Place a purchase order for 1,000 USDT. Great, it went through. Now we have 18 Solana coins in our wallet. Go through the exchange where we will sell our coins. Register there as well. Go to your wallet, click deposit, choose the coin and copy the provided address for crediting the coins. Return to Binance, click withdraw, paste the copied address, enter the amount of coins to withdraw, confirm the transaction and wait a couple of minutes. Excellent, the coins have been credited to our account. Open the spot trading tab and find the Solana coin. Notice that its value is higher than on Binance, meaning everything will work out. Place a sell order for all coins. Great, we now have 1,069 USDT in our account, with a net profit of $69. Return to your account, and now you need to do the same as before, but in reverse. Copy the address on Binance and paste it on Zeptabit. Your withdrawal request is submitted. Wait for the funds on Binance. Wonderful, my funds are in place, and most importantly with a profit of $68. Our task is to continue the algorithm, withdraw the profit and save it. In the end, after 3 hours of work, I managed to complete 15 trades, earning $800 pre-tax, and to be honest, this is a massive result. I think in the next months we will be working with this particular combination. And you might wonder if there are any limitations. In general, no. We don't involve bank transfers or other third parties. The only potential issue is that the coin rates may stabilize. It means that the price will be the same on both exchanges. If it happens, I will definitely release a new video. Whether or not to enter this sphere is up to you. Subscribe to my channel and see ya.